So you need to know that this dot in the middle of two terms means multiply. All right? And you also need to know, and Mr. Paul said it before, like, oh, you have two parentheses or something in front of the parentheses, we have to multiply. So we know that whatever's in here is being multiplied by whatever's in here. So then you could also cross out what? You could say, well, by order of elimination, well, it's not only addition. You can even look, right? You should at least know that there's multiplication happening here. And hopefully you would understand that this means x minus 6 times 8, and then x minus 6 times x. And then you might think, oh, okay, maybe it's commutative, because you change the order. How, if I change the order, wouldn't the only thing that makes sense if I change the order, I do 8 plus x times x minus 6? Is that what's happening here? You can see it's not. So it's either distributive or associative of multiplication. And I know a lot of students will pick maybe the second one, because they know, oh, there's different groups of multiplying happen, which is true. That is true. And this is why this is a Regents problem. What this is, again, assessing is, did this student understand that the x minus 6, seeing that it showed up twice, it was distributed, right? The x minus 6 was distributed to each. I know a lot of kids might have looked at this, even people looking now like, oh, but isn't it different groups of multiplying that's happening? But again, that's why this is a Regents high school level problem here in New York City. Okay? And again, this would be very difficult to understand if you don't understand what distributive means.